Hello there, it's Laura Heidrich with the Pain Cure Clinic, where we teach people how to cure chronic pain for good. Many of our clients show up for their first coaching session with a long list of things they've tried to get rid of their pain, including the spectrum of medical treatments from chiropractor to orthopedic surgery, medications from over-the-counter ibuprofen to opioids, unfortunately, and antidepressants. Holistic treatments, things like acupuncture, dry needling, and even herbal concoctions. Special, often very restrictive diets, professional therapy, and spiritual practices. Just reading this list is exhausting. And that's the problem we're addressing in this episode. Especially if you've had pain for a long time, the process of searching for a solution can become all-consuming. Hypervigilance around managing your pain becomes a full-time job. It starts taking up most or all of your free time. So let me state very clearly that pain is not your hobby. And I understand how this happens. You're just trying to fix this and get on with your life. Well, it turns out the best way to fix the problem is to stop spending all your time trying to fix the problem. Redirect your focus away from pain and medical treatment and towards living your life. I don't know how many times I've heard clients say, when I'm doing something fun, the pain goes away. When you give pain constant attention, it's like adding gasoline to a campfire. So this episode's action item is to rediscover or find a hobby that you love, an activity that's engaging, helps you relax, releases tension, and brings you joy. If a hobby doesn't immediately come to mind, then try this. Remember things you liked to do as a kid. What absorbed you to the point that time almost ceased to exist? Music, art, your pets, building things, a sport, gardening? And if you're a more social person or need to break the habit of isolating yourself due to pain, your friends and family can help by either giving you ideas of activities to pursue or doing them with you. A win-win. Buy the concert tickets, even if you're worried about the pain. Book the vacation, even if you're worried about the pain. Join the new meetup group, even if you're worried about the pain. Dr. Sarno talked about pain as a distraction. How about fun as a distraction from the pain? Very effective. Redirecting your attention to a hobby sounds very simple, but it's a tactic that works. Reject the idea that your pain is a life sentence. Devote your time and energy elsewhere and cut off the power supply that's feeding your tension and your pain. I feel better just saying this out loud. Soon, so will you. If you need further motivation around this topic and you haven't seen my last episode yet, then be sure to watch my video titled Breaking the Chronic Pain Cycle. And to access all of our content, hit the subscribe button. Also, check out our website for our coaching options and our new online video masterclass at paincureclinic.us. There's a link below. I'll be back again soon.